Hello students, today I am here to revise you for the CBSE board exam of plus 2 class for CS and IP subject. If you will revise one sample paper daily, you can very easily get 100 out of 100 marks. Let's first recall the paper pattern of CBSE board exam. There will be 4 sections and 5 questions. Section A Python, question number 1 and 2. Section B Software Engineering, question number 3. Section C MySQL, question number 4. And Section D Society Law and Ethics, question number 5. So let's start. Question number first, A part. Differentiate between list and tuple with example. Students, you know very well that list is mutable. That is, its contents can be changed, but tuple is immutable. What it wants to say, if there is a list and we want to change the first element of list, you can write as. But if there is a tuple and you want to change the content of the tuple, then this is not allowed in Python. Next question first, B part. What is the output of following code? Also give explanation. So students, here if you don't give any argument inside pop, then last value will come out and answer will be 7. Question first, C part. For divide, many students will write the answer as math, but it is not included in math, but it is inside the NumPy module for manipulation of arrays. And regarding the series, we know very well that there is a library known as pandas. So what you have to write? This one. Next question. Write a program in Python to calculate grade of a student based on marks of 3 subjects. So students, here the criteria given is, if the percentage is greater than equal to 90, grade is A. If the percentage is between 16 to 90, grade is B. And if the percentage is less than 60, grade is C. So first of all, you will input the marks of 3 subjects in this way. M1 equal to int input enter marks 1, in the same way for M2 and M3. After that, you will calculate the total by adding them. Then you will find the percentage by dividing by 3. After that, you will place conditions in the way, if percentage is greater than equal to 90, grade is A. L if, here you have to write L if percentage is greater than equal to 60 and percentage is less than 90, grade is B. Else, it means if both these conditions are not satisfied, then grade is C. Next question. What are the possible functions to draw bar chart, pie chart? Students, for bar chart, there are 2 possible options, vertical bar chart and horizontal bar chart. So you will write both these functions, bar and bar H, for bar chart. But for pie chart, there is only one function, that is pie function. Next question. Differentiate between empty and empty like functions. Students, empty function creates array of random values with given size as argument, and the syntax is this one. But NumPy like creates array of random values with given size as size of another array. Means in it you will not write as empty 5, but you will write empty A. Means it will take the size of array A and create random values inside the array. Explain different options of formatting chart. Students, there are various options of formatting charts. So let's start one by one. First one is title, which is used to give the title of the chart. Second one is X label, which is used to give label for X axis. Then Y label to give label for Y axis. X limit to set the minimum and maximum limits for X axis. Y limit to set the minimum and maximum limits for Y axis. X ticks to set the position of tick marks on X axis. Y tick to set position of tick marks on Y axis. Legend to show the legend, that is symbols used. So students, stay safe at home but keep studying. Thanks and have a nice day.